Welcome back to Everyday Race. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy steps on how to remove a stock hydraulic clutch line on a Ford Ranger, F-150, Explorer, Mercury Mountaineer, or Mazda B-Series trucks. So obviously, if your clutch line isn't moving back and forth, it means it's stuck. So step 1 is I use an 8mm wrench to release all the internal hydraulic pressure by turning the slave cylinder bleeder screw counterclockwise. Next step number 2 is to break hydraulic line loose. For that I use a 12mm wrench and a small hammer. All I do is I put the wrench right here and then I tap it. After I tap it, I make sure that the hydraulic clutch line is moving, and as you can see, there's probably a millimeter of movement. That's exactly what I needed. Step 3 is where a lot of people make mistake. Is what they do is they try to yank on the hydraulic line while pushing the plastic sleeve in. That's how you damage the quick connect mechanism. What you have to do is you have to push it in with one hand and then work the sleeve inside. Take your time. Once the sleeve is inside, boom, it's out and you're ready to go. That was very, very easy. And let me show you why you don't want to yank on the line and while pushing the sleeve inside. Alright, so next I'm going to remove quick connect mechanism just to show you what it is. Do not do this. This pretty much makes the slave cylinder useless, but I want to show you exactly what it looked like. So this is a clutch line. It goes in like that, and it's got a bunch of teeth that bite into this aluminum connector that's attached to the clutch line. You got a ridge over there it bite into. So if you try to pull on the line and push on the sleeve to disconnect the clutch line, 3 things will happen. You will destroy this plastic sleeve, you will destroy bent teeth on this metal ring, or you will force the metal teeth to bite into aluminum and to ruin the edge. That's what keeps it from popping out. So this is why you have to push on the line and then push on the plastic sleeve. That will spread the teeth and the whole thing comes out. So it's really that simple. So that's going to be it for today. If you guys enjoy this, hit a like button, and like always, have a good day.